Hello dear Virgos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Virgos, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is journal, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And this is a reading from 22nd till the 31st of October. Okay, Virgo, your partner's current energy right now is Five of Wands. Your partner right now is fighting. They are in some kind of conflict. They are going through some kind of battle. Might be internal, might be they are physically fighting with somebody, but I don't see physical fight just like a violent one. But yes, there is internal conflict. Internal conflict, internal battle. They are right now going through some kind of rut in their life. This is what is their current energy telling me. So might be in work they're experiencing this situation, or might be in their personal life, but there is something that is not working out for them. Let me clarify the Five of Wands in their current energy. My father is doing something and it is like he is creating some noises. Please bear with me. Wheel of Fortune, the Tower, and the King of Wands. I feel like there is separation. I feel like there is some kind of shocking news that they are experiencing right now. The tables, although the tables are turning in their favor, they are not able to see that they are right now going through some kind of separation or some kind of negative period of their life. They are right now going through something that is shocking for them. They are going through something that is shocking for them, and they are feeling like still they have hope, still they are still they're high on hopes, and still they are very passionate about this particular situation. See, they are going through some kind of internal conflict or internal battle. The universe is shocking them with some kind of shocking news, or some kind of separation, might be with somebody, or distance with somebody, or something that is not good according to them. But trust me, this is very good for them, and they are still carrying lots of passion for this particular thing or situation. Although this is not working out right now, they are still feeling like, yeah, there's passion, there's connection. I'm not going to leave this situation. This is their energy. Okay, let me see what is your current energy, Virgo. High Priestess, you're silent. You're silent as fuck, you can say. And High Priestess is, it's like you are listening to your intuition. Your intuition is telling you something. You're just listening to your intuition. You're trying your best to tap into intuition and see what it is saying to you. So right now you are experiencing some kind of soul searching, or you can say some kind of mentorship or guru. You got some guru or mentor or something that is connecting you to your soul, connecting you to the divine, and connecting you to the intuition that you are having. See, everyone is intuitive, but you have to work on that. There is a specific period when you feel highly intuitive. Whatever you think, that comes to fruition. Whatever you manifest, that comes to fruition. This happens. So right now you are experiencing that situation. Let me clarify the High Priestess in your current energy. Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, and Nine of Pentacles. I feel like you are starting some kind of project or work or business or job. You're standing a ground that you just want to earn money, you just want to be self-dependent. So I feel like your intuition is telling you just to focus on the money part, just to focus on the self-independence part, just to focus on the job part. Just take a stand for yourself, just restart life again. So that is why you are listening to your intuition, and your intuition is guiding you to focus. Shift your focus on the money, business, and job part only, because it is going to make you self-independent, and you are going to be self-dependent, sorry, and self-independent, I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, you're getting my point. This is going to give you freedom, this is going to give you luxury, this is going to give you the life that you deserve. That's why your intuition is talking to you and telling you exactly what you should do. Okay, this is the thing. Cool, let me see what this person feels for you, or what your person feels for you, whomsoever you are connected with, or whomsoever you are thinking about while watching this video. The feelings for you. Knight of Wands in reverse. Knight of Wands in reverse. So I feel like this person is right now feeling like they are lacking passion. Lack of passion, or lack of energy, or lack of enthusiasm regarding this particular situation or connection with you. They are feeling some kind of lacking energy in this connection. Let me clarify. Might be feeling losing interest or something. They might be feeling like you might be losing interest in them, or you might be feeling like they are losing interest in you. This is a certain situation where passion is not here. Okay, losing interest or losing passion or something like this. Let me clarify. Six of Cups and Ten of Pentacles and Five of Swords. Although they miss you, they feel like you're a very stable person to be with. Although they feel like you're a family to them, you are a person whom they can rely on. They feel like this, but they feel like there's some kind of ego battles between you guys. There's always ego battles going on between you guys, and that's why they're lacking passion. They feel like you're a stable person, they miss you also, but there is certain kind of ego battles, or there is certain kind of conflicts going on between you and them, and that's why this person is slowly might be losing interest, or they are feeling like you might be losing interest in them because of the battles, because of the constant struggle, because of the constant battles that you guys experience with each other. Okay, this person is feeling a little lack of passion right now. Okay, let me see what this person wants from you. The Emperor, decision, Aries. You could be dealing with an Aries here. What this person wants from you is a decision. They want you to take certain kind of decision. It might be decision regarding the commitment part or marriage part. It might be a decision regarding what to do next in this situation, in this connection, in this relationship. But what they want from you is definitely a decision, a solid decision, a solid a solid decision that you can stick on, and then they just want you to stick on that. This is what they want from you. Okay, let me clarify. Page of Wands and the Strength card and the Seven of Cups. You could be dealing with the Leo here. So they just want you to open up the gate of communication with them. Just analyze and just hold back for a little while. Just see all the options and take the decision. This is what they want from you. They want you to open up the gate of communication with them, just to communicate with them. They want you to hold back right now, take a step back and see whatever you can see a clear picture, because you might be having lots of options, or you're really confused, you are not able to decide. So that's why this person wants to have a solid decision from your side. This is what they want from you, because they feel like you're confused or conflicted, you're not able to decide anything, you're not able to make up your mind regarding this particular relationship or the situation. That's why this person just wants you to hold back for the time being. Take a step back and analyze each and everything, and analyze each and every connection, or you can say option. Then take a solid decision regarding this particular relationship or connection with them. This is what they want from you. Okay, let's see what this person, what is coming towards you till the end of October. Let's see. Six of Cups. Past person is coming back to you. Six of Cups energy. So I feel like you guys are going to have a reconciliation, or you guys are going to meet, and you guys are going to have a very, very good time with each other. I feel like either you or them are missing another person very much, and that's why I feel like you guys might plan to meet on the weekend, or have some kind of fun or something like that. This is beautiful reunion. This is beautiful meeting. This is beautiful loving energy and caring energy. I don't see love kind of love. I see friendship kind of love here. Let me clarify the Six of Cups. Six of Swords and the King of Cups and the Queen of Swords. I feel like, you guys are going to have a meeting. You guys are meeting each other, and you guys are feeling peaceful, and you guys are finally going to realize, like, this relationship is not that much difficult to handle as we were thinking about this. There is some kind of peaceful solution coming towards you, love coming towards you, love in this connection. You are going to experience pure love and pure joy, but you are going to feel that there's love here, but I don't see this person showing it to you much. They will try their best to hide their love, hide their feelings, hide their true emotions from you. But this, meeting is happening finally. It could be you who is trying to hide the feelings. So this person right now, one person right now in this connection is very very highly in love with the other person, and the other person right now is very very conflicted. They're not able to do anything, they are conflicted, and they are lacking passion, and they are feeling like, no, I am not that much passionate about this connection as I used to be. But this connection, this reconciliation, or you can say this meeting up or patching up, is going to make you feel really happy. So you just go with the flow and see where things are going, and see the future after analyzing each and everything. Okay, so thank you so much, Virgos, for connecting. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.